Hi there, I'm Kaylee, your sales coach with the Military Veteran Team. Whether you're on the verge of buying your first home or dreaming of homeownership, the process can seem daunting. We all wish we could jump right to the moment where a realtor hands you the keys next to a sold sign, but there's a lot to do first. The more you know about it, the smoother it will go. Let's walk through an easy-to-understand guide to buying a home from start to finish. The first step isn't about finding a realtor or visiting open houses. It's about ensuring you can get a loan. Unless you're paying in cash, the initial order of business is choosing a loan officer who will secure a mortgage loan on your behalf. We recommend finding a reliable loan officer through personal referrals. Your loan officer will help you fill out a pre-approval application, which includes your income, credit history, and current assets. Generally, the better your credit history and the more you can put toward the down payment, the better your terms will be. Ideally, having a credit score of 740 and a 20% down payment is best, but a score of around 680 and at least 3.5% down can also provide decent options. Now it's time to add a key member to your team, the realtor. Here at the Military Veteran Team, we have many experienced and professional agents. Choose the one that suits you best, and you'll see your home buying process become much faster and more efficient. Your realtor will be your personal shopper and chief negotiator, finding you the home of your dreams and helping you make a competitive offer. Next comes the exciting part, finding a house. After browsing countless pictures online and touring homes, hopefully, you'll find one that fits all your criteria. With your realtor, you'll submit a formal offer to the owner, along with a pre-approval letter from your loan officer to prove you can afford it. If they accept, the purchase process begins. It's crucial to avoid changing your financial situation during this time. No new jobs or credit cards. The first part of the purchase process is the option period. You'll typically give the owner a deposit of around 1% of the purchase price to show you're serious. In exchange, the owner gives you a window of about 5 to 10 days to inspect the house and decide whether to proceed. Hire a professional inspector to ensure the house is safe and up to code. If major issues are found, you and your realtor can ask the owner to fix them or adjust your offer. After the option period, you can relax a bit while the loan officer works on your file for the underwriter. The underwriter ensures you are a trustworthy borrower. The loan officer acts as your intermediary, so be prompt with any additional documentation they request. Once the underwriter gives the all clear, you'll be ready to close. As closing day approaches, your loan officer will provide a definitive number for your down payment and closing costs. You'll pay this to a title company, which ensures the money reaches the right parties. You'll also need to sign a stack of papers in person, which are then sent to the mortgage company for verification. Congratulations, you now own a home. Even though the process is legally complete, there are a few more things to keep in mind. Your first mortgage payment is typically due the second month after closing. And don't forget about moving costs, utility setup, restocking the pantry, and any items that may need replacing. Buying a house is a big endeavor, but with enough preparation and the right team, you'll be ready for your new home. Ready to start your journey? Contact the Military Veteran Team today and let us help you turn your homeownership dreams into reality.